Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
No, my channel.
Oh yeah, I forgot guys. Today she's the mom, I'm the daughter. We're switching roles while eating seafood. So let's get into the video.
So we eating.
Come on, mom.
We eating crab, crawfish, corn, potatoes, eggs, and sausage, and
What's that?
and I forgot that.
That's a lobster. Mom. Y'all heard what she said? I'll repeat it. We're eating crab, corn, potatoes, sausage, crawfish, corn. I said corn? I'm no better than her. Smoked sausage, lobster, a little bit of everything. We got some hot butter sauce and some regular butter sauce. Okay. Come on, Mom. Because you about to peel open my food.
Who said I was?
You the mom.
You don't have to do it yourself.
You gonna open my crab?
No.
Ugh. Ew, Mom. Why does it look like that? You did this. You made this. This crawfish is frozen. Y'all, you got this out the deep freezer. This ain't fresh.
No, it's fresh to me.
Mom. Yeah. Got to get the poop out, Mom. Ew.
That's not poop. That's smacking. Oopsies.
Sorry.
Why you looking at me? Stop smacking. Grandpa.
You the mom. That ain't mine good.
No, eat this. Oh.
You did a good job. You did good. You gonna open my crab for me?
No. You do it yourself.
Can I have some of your butter?
I guess.
You know the good mom because I don't be quiet. I be talking.
Big bite.
I do not be rude like that. It's busting. Dang, that was the only meat in there?
I guess.
She's so focused on eating. She's a bad mom. Because I be talking.
Mommy!
You remind me. You got a meat out? Oh, Mama, can I have that?
No.
I would have let you have it.
No, you wouldn't.
And you talking about me. Look at you smacking. That's just how you do. I do not do that.
You're gummy. Daddy.
Y'all don't know where she get that from, but I don't act like that. That's all her. Ooh, ooh, mama, you wanna try my egg? I'm about to put it.
Give me some.
So this isn't going too well.
Oopsies.
Don't lean your body over. Keep your body over here. Just reach your face though, and wipe your hand.
Wait, what?
The top right there. I ain't said I was sharing my sauce.
You not my mama.
Ooh, this sauce is so good.
I about to put my toes in that.
No, you didn't. Cause I washed you. Oh, spicy.
I can't open it.
Don't you got sauces? Mom. I do not be struggling.
Yes, you
Yeah,
do.
I would have used my teeth. Okay. Stop playing to the bowl. Girl. We about to switch back. Cause you're not a good mom.
Yes, I am. Stop being disrespectful. Stop smacking. Close your mouth. What is wrong with you?
That was good. This is so good. I've been waiting on seafood for years. For years, man. You know I've been asking for this.
Okay.
It's so good.
Stop it. You sound stupid.
I do not use no scissors. I don't think they got no meat in that.
Yes, it do.
Oh. That sauce is so good, by the way.
You want some?
Can I have that?
No, you got your own.
Yours look better.
It's not funny.
Dang. Who do that?
You.
Dang, I can't get it. Let me see these scissors. Now you're being yourself.
No. That's not funny. It's so nasty.
Excuse me,
That's
people.
not ladylike.
Why the meat keep breaking in? What did you do? Did you overcook it?
What did you do?
That's what you say. It's still good though. Okay, I'm gonna still eat it. Cause I've been waiting on this seafood.
Dang!
I'm gonna eat all this sauce and get none. Ooh, I'm not eating no more of them crawfish. They black. They froze or burnt or something.
Not my fault.
You bought bad crawfish. I need to overcook the crab. You want to switch back?
Yeah, please.
So we switch it back.
Yeah, because I suck.
She's so focused on eating. I'm gonna eat and talk. Oh, we gotta do with topics. I wrote some stuff. Wait.
Ooh, dang, boy.
I ain't no boy. I'm a whole girl out here.
You don't look like it.
Anyway, you're gonna need help open that lobster. No. Wait. We got topics.
I guess.
Okay. So, introduction basically. I got stuff dripping on my mouth, but okay. Who am I? Everyone knows me as Pretty, but my real name is Charlene. Everyone asks, do I have kids? Are you married? Are you single? Yes, I'm married. Yes, I have kids. I have 6 kids. 4 boys, 2 girls. And if you didn't know, Pritty504. 504 stands for New Orleans. We're from New Orleans. Okay, what to look for? What are we gonna be doing on this channel? On my channel, a little bit of everything, cause I'm goofy. You're gonna get the goofy side, the mother side, the wife side, just me, all my personalities. Excuse me, I burp a lot. We ain't gonna talk about that. We're now at like 390 subscribers. We're trying to get to 1K. 1K. Get us there.
Mama, look, it's the heart. The heart.
Make sure y'all go to our last 2 videos that we got up. Like them, leave a comment, subscribe. What else? Hit the bell so you know every time we post.
Hit the notification.
Post a video. Anything else, if y'all want us to do anything, you can send me suggestions through Instagram or TikTok if you're my friend, but most likely Instagram. You can send me a suggestion on what to do in my Instagram, on my Instagram.
Mama, I thought you said I'm gonna need help opening this.
You just gotta open it up.
I watch on YouTube a lot.
That's because I cut it. I'm about to taste that.
Mama, you know when it's...
I'm about to start pranking them. They ain't gonna even know it's coming. They ain't gonna even know.
She did 2 pranks on us. 2 pranks on us. She did the one when we thought we had a cricket in our room.
Oh yeah.
She put this little sound in our room, and it sounded like a cricket was in our walls, but it wasn't.
I got this
Fart spray.
This thing, no, not the fart spray, the crooked thing. I got the crooked thing from Amazon, and I put one in each child room, the boys' room,
Not Miggles.
in the girls' room, not my youngest boys,
Because she was going to be crying.
and it was in there for 2 days, and it was whining about a crooked sound, thinking a crooked was in their room,
In the wall.
and I ain't tell them nothing. Then the next day I did fart spray. They were so mad. Yo, don't buy that. Don't buy no fart spray.
It stinks.
That's the most
It
nasty.
lasted for a long time.
That's the most nastiest crap in the world. Look, y'all. Look at my lobster. What they be doing with their hand?
Get that.
I never had this before. I'm gonna taste it by itself. It's good. You didn't even...
No, I got a little bit more.
So you ate some already? It's good.
Yeah, it was good to me.
It's good. It tastes like
Seafood.
It tastes like crab. I'm gonna try it in the butter sauce, you know.
Oh my god.
It's
Oh
good.
my god. Oh.
Feel like I'm chewing a lot. I'm supposed to chew a lot.
What are you eating?
The lobster. Baby. You're not about to keep reaching over me.
You got all the onions.
I'm thinking about. I got meat all in my teeth.
Take it out.
I'm thinking about cooking as well. Doing while I'm cooking, just because I like to cook. And also, I'm gonna do a vlog.
A vlog, mama. It's not
What?
a vlog.
What I said?
You said vlog.
And what you said?
I said vlog.
Vlog? Okay. What she said. We gonna do that. She wanna do a ASMR. Yo, I think I will cook this.
It's good to me. I like all of it.
Cause it keep getting stuck to the freaking thing. Look up. Oh, that butter nasty. The other thing tastes better.
Yeah.
Girl, you got. This girl got seafood juice everywhere.
It's not everywhere.
I definitely overcooked this.
Man, I didn't even try this yet.
Some crawfish, they're gonna stay on the.
Why is black?
They're gonna stay on the plate. I don't know. That's why I get them freezer things. First and last time.
This is supposed to look like.
It look burnt. I don't think. I don't want this nasty butter sauce.
You the one who cooked it?
That's just straight butter. That's good. I'm kind of full.
I'm not.
Of course you not.
We're gonna eat this food.
You ain't the mama no more.
I don't care.
You forgot we switched back?
No.
You wasn't even talking.
Mama.
So, what else? What else can I tell people?
Let's see.
I'm gonna start doing promos on TikTok, Instagram. So if you need a promo, holler at me.
Wait, what is a promo?
When people have stuff that they want other people to see. Damn.
Mama, I don't got none of these.
What? They must have fell in the pot.
Man, that's so sad.
It's still good.
Yep, it is though.
Something is in my tooth because it hurt.
It is. Look at the toothpick.
I don't got no toothpick.
Mommy! Man, I got stuck.
I'm full.
Okay.
I'm not eating them next. I was about to say a bad word. I almost said the bad word.
I'm not eating that freaking nasty stuff.
The crawfish?
No. So I'm trying to show you.
Come on, give me my sauce because you said you just wanted butter anyway.
No, because I thought you was gonna put the little seasoning in it. Like you did.
You thought wrong.
Mama, you keep every time you pass through the thing, my finger get on your shirt. Mama, Mom, you know when the new Stranger Things coming out?
No, we just watched the last one.
It needs to come out. Oh, and I'm about to do this. I like the juice that's down here.
So y'all, now that Stranger Things is off, I was watching, what is that? What's that called? I was watching the originals, right? And I found out that Vampire Diaries, what is that other show? Legacies, all of them is in like their own little family. I finished the originals. Well, me and my husband finished the originals, and now we on Vampire Diaries. Tell me where I can find a vampire so they can suck my blood so I can live forever.
You want to fight a vampire?
So I can live forever.
Ooh, dang. That hurt.
You gonna let me suck your blood and turn you? I gotta put my blood in you and then break your
Mama,
neck.
that sounds so gross.
I'm gonna cut my hand and I'm gonna drop my blood in your mouth and then I'm gonna crack your neck.
That's so
You gonna
sad.
die, but you gonna come back.
Man, it's not gonna work.
It is. You wanna try it? We can try it tonight.
Mama, what the heck is wrong with you?
We gonna try it tonight.
You're trying to kill me.
You're not gonna die. You gonna come back as a vampire.
But you're not a vampire.
Oh,
You're so stupid.
I am a vampire. Yeah, no.
I swear to God, if you try to bite me tonight, I'll slap you.
I ain't gonna bite you. I'm gonna put my blood in your mouth and you're gonna do it. I'll put some blood in this food.
I don't taste it.
And tonight I'm gonna break your neck. Y'all, it's a joke. I will not kill my child. For the Karens that's gonna be in the comments. It's just a joke. I know vampire is not real, but it is real.
To me it is. To you it is. And that's everybody else.
I believe it's real. Just because we ain't see it don't mean it's not them.
Mama, what do I have a vampire come in your room?
I'm gonna say, hey friend.
They gonna bite you.
Hey friend, here go my neck. What if they drank all my blood? I'm full. I'm steady eating.
Keep eating. You got this.
How many minutes are we on?
So, Mom, when you go back to school?
August something. We about to start getting uniforms. So guys, I'm actually full. She most likely is gonna
Eat all of it.
finish all this. What can I tell y'all? I told y'all like, comment, subscribe,
Turn on the notifications.
follow all my social medias: TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. That's basically it. That's all I'm on. Oh, I have a challenge now. I don't care challenge. If you go to my TikTok, it's the first pinned video. It has like
100,000.
No, it has like 3 million or something views, almost 1 million likes. A lot of women are doing the challenge. So women, ladies, go do my challenge. First pin video. And tag me and use my hashtag Pritty504. Other than that, that concludes our video.
I accidentally did this.